Yeah, it was a good win. You know, we're playing a lot better this year. We have an entirely new team, and you know, we just keep rolling. You know, obviously Newcastle found out last night that we're a different team, and we got three lines that really work hard, and everybody just keeps playing the hardest. We just roll three lines. We don't have like a top line, so you know we wear teams down usually by the second period because every team usually has one good line, and we got three. So you know we feel like we can play with anybody. You know, I had three tonight, but it was honestly, I think I had, first goal was pretty lucky, and the other two were 3-on-1s that the goalie just gave me, you know, all the room in the world to shoot, so I just put it in the back of the net. I mean, it was honestly 3-on-1s that could have passed to anybody that scored, so it was, you know, actually pretty easy. It was just, I think they had a couple defensive breakdowns, and we just went in 3-on-1. Yeah, I mean, we're starting to roll. You know, we obviously lost the first game to Melbourne, where we spent, I think, the entire game in the box again. And then we lost to Melbourne here, but we didn't have everybody on our team. And now we got everybody on our team back. You know, we're starting to gel, and everybody's playing well. We just outwork teams. You know, as I said, I think every team's usually got one good line. We have three lines. We don't have a top line, so we just, you know, we get the puck in, we outwork you, and then, you know, we're going to continue to do that for the rest of the season.